Hello guys, so if you made it to this point, congratulations. So right here I'll be showing us how we could create our blog page or a blog page for your website. Now a blog page is so important so that it could help in the visibility of your website. Alright, so if your blog page is being found on google.com for example, right, and someone is looking for a product, a particular product, and the person comes to google.com and then searches for that product, or let's say a particular brand of that product, and person comes to Google to search for it, your product might be one of those products that would pop up, and then the person might go to the blog and then find a link on your blog page that leads to your website, probably that leads to your e-commerce site, where the customer, alright, in quotes, can actually purchase that product. Alright, so your blog page is very much important. So you could have several blog pages. You could have several blog posts. Alright, and always ensure that you're always creating a blog post. If not every month, maybe in every 2 weeks, or every 3 weeks. If not every day, rather, make sure it's maybe once in a week, or weekly, or or monthly. Just ensure that you're always posting, you're always making a post, you're always making a blog post, your blog post is very much important. It helps in search engine optimization for your website. Alright, so right now we're going straight to business. Let's first of all go and check our blog page. Let's try to see our blog page. Pages. Let's try to see our blog page. Alright, let's click on view. Okay, let's click on edit. Let's click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so it's taking me to our blog page. Now this is what our blog page looks like currently. Alright, now this is, I don't want all these other parts to be on this blog page here, where I see this blog, and this blog, and this home here. This and this part as well shouldn't be on this blog page. So I need to go to settings here, and then hide title. I will toggle it on and then click on what updates. Okay, so it's not showing yet. Right now I need to change the layout of this place. Let me just show us something else that we could do. If that option doesn't work out, we'll go to this page layout here, right, and then click on what Elementor Canvas. Alright, it will give us a blank page. Alright, now let's update it. Alright, so now the next thing that we can do right now, right, is to go to this this box here where it says add templates. Alright, click on it. Now it will show you the templates you have created already. When you click on this my templates, after this page is say my template, once you click on it, it will show you the template you've created already. All you need to do is just click on this insert, click on it, apply, and then it will be applied instantly. Alright, it will be applied instantly. Alright, so I need to go back again, settings, Elementor Canvas. Alright, updates. Alright, so this is our blog page now. So this is fine this way. Now let me now show us how we could create our blog page. Alright, I'm going back to dashboard here, and then I will go to post here, and then click on what add a new post. Beautiful. Now this is where we would be creating our post. Alright, our blog post. Alright, now when you come toward this place where you see paragraph here, alright, it has several fonts here. Alright, several fonts here. That's the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6, and then the performated. Now this heading 1 should just appear once. You should only use this heading 1 once on your blog page. Alright, you should only use your heading one once, just once. You should only just it should only appear once, or rather you should only use it just for a particular function. And that particular function, when it comes to this blog page, is the title. So the title takes the heading one. Alright, so if there's any other subtitle on your blog page, then it should be heading 2. It should be heading 2. Hope you understand. Right, so I would be doing something like top 10 digital, top 10 digital, top 10 importance, top 10 importance of digital marketing. So this is just an example. It's not just an example, right? Okay, top 10 importance of digital marketing. Alright, I think there's much space here. Okay, very good. Alright, am I correct? Am I wrong? Okay, wrong. No space here. Alright, so I made something already that I need to just copy. I'll copy all this. Alright, I'll copy all this. Okay. Moment. Alright, I'll copy all this. Copy all this. And paste. Very good. Very good. Very good. So right now, I need to give my subheading a format. Alright, so I'm giving this what H2. I'm giving it H2. So like I said earlier, top 10 importance of this marketing already has the H1, so there's no need again for us to have another H1 again. Alright, let me go back. Made a mistake. Alright, so what I need to do is to ensure that there's much space between my what is digital marketing, that subheading, and the content below it. So I need to give a space so that the format doesn't capture the other part, as you can see right now. So what is digital marketing? Okay. Alright, so I need to do that here as well. Alright, okay. Okay, so let's do that here too. Heading 2, very good. Here too, heading 2, very good. Here too, heading 2, very good. Let's change this. Let's take this in. Don't need this. Alright, so let's go to number 4. Let me take this off. Let me take this off and make this heading 2. Alright, very good. Number 5. Heading 2. Okay. Number 6. Number 6. Heading 2 as well. Very good. Take this off. Okay. Heading 2. Yeah. Taking this off. Heading 2. Alright, very good. Taking this off. Okay. Heading 2 as well, and then I'm taking this off too. Alright, and then I'm making this what? Heading 2. Very good. So basically we've gotten all that we need, right? Now let me just show something that we could do here. Okay. Alright, so now I could link probably my website to, or maybe my homepage through this blog page. So let's say someone found my post on my blog page on Google or anywhere on the internet, right? And then person wants to actually reach out to my website, since person has seen my content and person actually wants to reach out to me. So look at this last part here where it says thank you for reading here. I hope you have liked this article, and the article is related to your search. For digital marketing, web designing, SEO, and mobile services, contact okay, contact MB Creative Solutions. So this MB Creative Solutions could have a link. So I'll just highlight here. And then come toward this place where it says insert or edit link. Alright, insert or edit link. So I could just come here, alright, and then type in the URL of this MB Creative Solutions. I should just type in the URL. So I will just type in the URL https, or if at all I have probably a link here, we just link it here. I can just link it here. So let's just do this. Okay, https www.mbcreative.com. Perfect. So as you can see right now, it's already linked already. So if anybody comes here and clicks on this MB Creative Solutions, it takes them directly to my website. Very good. So next thing to do right now is to come towards my right hand side here. Alright, and come towards my right hand side here and give it a category. Now a category is very much important because it helps in the search engine optimization of your blog. Alright, so you must give it a category, right? So let's give it blog, or let's add another category again. Let's say digital marketing. Okay, let's say digital marketing. Alright, I think that is okay. Alright, it's already there. So now let's add tags. Now tags are more like a more detailed description, or rather a more detailed description of your blog. It tells more about what the blog has to offer. Alright, so it is it gives more details about your blog. So you should have at least 3 tags and at most 10 tags. Okay, it's going to help in the SEO of your blog page. It's going to help in the SEO of your site. So you should have at least 3 and at most 10. Alright, so let's now when making your blog page as well, ensure that you have now the number of words, the word count is also important. Ensure that you have more than 1,500 words while making your blog post. Ensure that you have over 1,500 words. It's going to help in your search engine optimization. Alright, it's going to help in your search engine optimization. So ensure that you have over 1,500 words. This is 1771, and that is good, very good. Alright, so now let's give this a tag. Alright, so we can still do digital marketing here. Can still do digital marketing. Alright, consider digital marketing here. Sorry. Okay, then click on what add. Alright, and next one we can still do SEO. Alright, you can do sales conversion. Alright, sales conversion. Add. Can do sales funnel. Add. Can do organic growth. Organic, yeah, let's do organic growth. Okay. Alright, so let's do market survey. Alright, so let's do business growth. Alright, yeah, business growth strategy. Alright, so we're good to go. Alright, we're good to go. So Now let's try to add a featured image. So right here you are seeing right downward there you are seeing featured image. It says set featured image. So we need to give our blog page or a blog post an image. Alright, now we could also see insert images in this blog post as well. Alright, we could also see insert images within this blog post as well. Alright, you could see insert images. All you need to do is just come towards here and then click on this add media, then it will take you to where you could add any of these images here. Alright, on your blog post. Okay, so I'm not adding any. Alright, I'm not adding any. So let's try to get a featured image. Let's just click on this set featured image. Alright, so I don't have any here. I need to create one. Right, let's go to Canva. Let's go to canva.com. Let me go to my home page. It's canva.com. Alright, so right here we'll just search. Let's search for okay, let's search for blog banner. Blog banner. Okay, let's search for blog banner. Alright, so it's bringing out some ideas already that we can work with. So sorry about this. Alright, sorry. Let's search on template rather. Sorry. Okay, blog banner. Right, so it's going to give us some ideas here that we could work with. Let's give us some ideas that we could work with. So okay, so let me just select this. Okay, this is on the pro version. I'm not using the pro version yet, so I'm using the free version. I also have access to the pro version, but this is the free version itself. Alright, so we'll be using one of the free templates here that is good for us to make our design. Alright, we'll use one of the free templates here. Okay. Alright, so let's try work with this. Alright, so let's click on customize this template. Let's click on customize templates. Alright, it's taking me to where I'll be editing that particular template. So all I need to do is just change the text and I'm good to go. I'll just change the text, probably change the color, and yeah, I'm good to go. I'm not using this. I'm not really using that, but let me just try to use this. Sorry, top 10 what? Top 10 importance. Let me list 10. Top 10 importance of digital marketing. Alright, so let me just try to reduce this. Okay. Alright, so let me give this space. Okay. Open this again. Okay. I've not been needing it. Let me just delete this. Don't need it, so deleting it already. Top 10 importance of digital marketing. Let me try to reduce the space here. You can come towards the spacing here, then reduce the letters. No, let me reduce the line spacing. Okay. Then try to reduce the letter spacing as well. Okay. Alright, perfect. So then try to reduce this. Okay. Alright, so then try to centralize this. Perfect. So taking this up. Let's bring this down. Okay. Alright, so let me take this away. Let me take this yellow stuff away. Bring this to the center. Centralize. Alright, so I'm trying to ensure that it is very centralized. It is very centralized. So it's centralized is at the center when both the vertical line and the horizontal line meets together. Alright, so almost here. Very good, perfect. So yeah, so you can work with this. Let me just try to change the background color so that it looks like what I want to use. This is light. Let me try to make it dark. Alright, let me try to make it dark. Okay. Alright, good to go. Okay. Alright, so this is good though. This is good. Let's see if I could change this color to something else. Let me use this color instead. Let me try to change this. Let me change this to this. Okay. Alright, so now let's just save this and let's work with this. Alright, perfect. Let's just work with this. Saving it as PNG, and then I'm downloading already. Alright, so let's go back to our blog page, to our backend here, and then go to featured image here, click on set featured image. I'm going to go to upload files, select files, and then I would look for that particular image I just downloaded. Downloads, then this is it here. Open. Alright, so it's loading right now. Alright, so as soon as it loads, I would just I could also help in the SEO here as well. Just give the title top 10 digital marketing, top 10 importance of digital marketing. So it's going to really help in making my blog page seen or visible on the internet, right? So if anyone searches for this particular word or searches for this particular kind of post, mine should be able to pop up. Why? Because I've been trying to optimize my blog page, including the image itself, right? Ensuring that it is well optimized. Alright, so now I have my featured image already. Alright, so that done already, I would go and publish this by going to this right part here and then click on what? Publish. Very good. So as soon as we've done this now, we will now go to this settings here. Alright, settings, then go to where? Go to I'm going to reading. Go to reading. Alright, so now our home page is on the landing page, right? Let me try to change it to home. Right, it's on home now. So let me now change the post page to what? To blog. Alright, so and click on what? Save changes. Now our blog page, our post page is now on the blog page, right? Now the next thing I'm doing right now is to go to templates and then create a new template. So I'm clicking on what? Add new templates. So right here I'm selecting archive, and then I'll name my archive. I'll name it blog archive, and then I'll click on what? Create templates. Alright, so the essence of this is that so that I will be able to give, you know, my blog posts a very good image. Now if I show you that post, the way the post appears, you might not really like it, right? So what do I mean? Let me just try go back again. Then try go back to our WordPress backend. Let me exit this place and try to exit, and then just show us what that post looks like. Going to posts or posts. Alright, so now let's view this. This is what it looks like literally. So it's not that beautiful. So our goal right now is to make this post become beautiful, right? So like I said, once anyone clicks on this link here, to take them directly to my website. So this is the way it is currently, but our mission is to ensure that this post is beautiful far beyond what you're seeing right now. Hope you understand. So we'll be making quite some changes here so that we could beautify our site. Alright, so now let's go back, right, and then select let's select any of these templates that we could work with. Let's select any of the templates that we're working with. Okay. Now this is only possible if you have Elementor Pro. This is only possible if you have Elementor Pro, and we already have our Elementor Pro already, so we'll just be using any of these templates. Okay. Alright, so let's try this. Let's try this. Let's see if we could use this. Alright, so let's insert this. Alright, apply. So as now as it is inserted, we'll start or try to make some changes, right? We'll try to make some changes. Very good. Now this is what our page looks like basically, right? This is what our blog page looks like or would look like. Alright, so all we need to do is just come here, change the color of this background here to let's say purple. So I need to take away this stuff that is above this container here, this where it says blog archive, right? Where it says blog archive, I need to take it away. I want to take it away. Okay, so let's try to see. Okay, alright, so we'll not be doing that here. We'll be doing that in the next. We'll be doing that when we go to our major blog page. Right. So for now, let's try to edit this page. Let's try to edit this page for now. Alright, and then we'll take this blog archive, this site title away soon or later on. Right, so let's change the background color here. Let's change it to a gradient, right? Let's change it to gradients. I'm so sure that by now you know our gradient color already. We're using light purple here, and then we're using the dark purple here. So sure you guess that. So I'll change this to white. Then I'll just change it to now let me just name it blog. Okay, let me just name it blog because this is our blog page basically, and or should I name it blog archive? Alright, so that if anyone comes and said, they just know that, oh, this is our blog archive, this is where we have our different blogs, so go train over blocks. Now when I create more than one of these, more than one blocks, they would all appear here. They would all appear here. Now this is just one of the blocks I created. If I should create more blocks, more posts, they would all appear here. They would all appear here. So alright, now let me change the color of this font to white. Let me change it to white. Change it into white. Very good. Now let me change the description here. Let me change the color to white. Change the color to white. Alright, very good, very good, very good. Okay. Alright, so I won't be needing some things here. I'll just take them off. Taking this off. This is multiplied. This is doubled already, so I'm taking this off. Right, taking this off already, and this lab I having to. Okay, I'm taking this off. Okay, very good. So very good. So this is it. This is what our blog page itself looks like. So if you have if we do give out newsletters probably every week, right, this is a good place again for you to capture your prospective customers or your prospective followers. All right, so once they come through your blog page, all right, and then they see that, oh, this person also has other information to give to us, right, they could just fill in the details here, and then immediately they subscribe to your email list. All right, so let's just try to change the background color of this to purple, so sure you guess that correctly. So let's change the text color here to white. White. I love simplicity. Alright, so here too, we could also do our changes here too. Make our changes here. Change the color of the text. Change it to white. Let's drag this forward. Okay. Okay, this is the button. Alright, typography, let's leave it that way. Okay, let's try to change this to white. Alright, so this is the button itself, so we could change the button color. We change the button color. Let's change the background color to yellow. Right, and let's change the border color to yellow as well. Alright, perfect. Okay. Alright, so let's try to work on this form. Alright, the feed itself. Let's try to change the color of the text in the feed to white. Okay, this is good already. Let me work on this hover button. Let me work on the over. The over too should be yellow. Text should be white. Should it be white? No, it should be yellow. Text should be yellow, and then the border should be yellow. Right, perfect. So yeah, so this is basically what our blog page would look like when we click on publish. Right, when we click on what publish. So let's click on what publish. So it's giving us a dialog box where it says, where do you want to display your templates? So I'm adding a condition right now, and then I'll click on include all archives. So I'll just save and what close. Okay, that didn't save. My network is bad. Okay, and then publish again. Okay, save and close. Oh, my network is bad. Sorry about that. It's going to be back in a minute. Alright, so I'm so sure that you've learned quite a lot already how you can actually create your own blog page already. Let me do this again. Okay, save and close. Alright, perfect. So it says the congrats, your site part is live. Congratulations, your site part is live. Alright, so let me try to refresh this. Alright, let me try to refresh this. Alright, so the next thing I'm doing basically, alright, it's not reflecting yet. So the next thing I'm doing basically, let me try to exit here. Or let me try to exit here. Alright, so let me exit this place. Next thing I'm doing right now is to ensure that I go to my template again. Alright, my template again, and then I'll click on what? Add new template. So right now I'll be selecting what? Single post. Yes, single post, and now I'll name it post template. Post template. Okay, this is it. Post template, and then I'll click on what? Create template. I would create a template here. Alright, and then I'll try to adjust the contents as well. Alright, so let's do this. Let me set this. Okay. Alright, so this is basically the blog itself. In other words, once someone comes here, so sorry, it's not showing here. Now this is the blog page itself. Alright, this is the blog page itself. Okay, when someone opens our blog page or opens that particular blog itself, this is the feel it will give. This is the exact feel to give. In other words, there will be some changes here as soon as I'm done with working on this part. Alright, there will be some major change here. Right, so this is what it looks like when someone opens the blog itself. This is what it would look like when someone opens the blog itself. So I could make any change I want to make here. I could make any change I want to just do. I could take this off. I could give a link here to my Facebook. If I have a Facebook account, I could just put the link for my Facebook here. I could put the link of my Facebook here. I could put the link of my Twitter account here. Right, I could put my LinkedIn account here. If I have Instagram, I could also add them, and then add Instagram as well. Right, so as you can see, there are quite a lot. There's Pinterest here, there's Reddit here, there's Skype here, there's Telegram here, right, there's WhatsApp here, there's email here. Right, quite a lot. So what else again do you need to do here? Just make your changes here. You could even delete this if you want to delete it. Now it says related posts. Now assuming I had other posts, they could have appeared here. They could have really appeared here. Right, so I think we'll be working with this for now. Let's just publish it. Alright, add condition. Alright, all singular posts. Let's select all posts. Yeah, all posts. Save and close. Very good. So right now we can now go back to WordPress backend. Name publishes. Saved already. Yeah, saved already. Oh, connection lost. My network again is bad. I'm so sorry about this. I'll fix it right now. Okay. So we're basically done already with designing our blog page, right? We're basically done already with designing our blog page. All I need to do is to just show you what we've done already, and then we'll be seeing in the next class where I'll be showing us basically how we could design our own e-commerce websites, right? And I will also show us how we could design the website from scratch, and also show us how we could use a template Alright, but basically since I don't want to make it really bulky, the main idea is to just show us how we could design the e-commerce website using the template itself. Right, so let me click on publish here again. Alright, so we're back already. The site part is live, so let me exit this page. Alright, very good. Let me try to refresh. Okay, alright, so let me duplicate this page, duplicate this, or let me go to our site. Alright, so now let me try to view, let me go to blog now and see what it looks like. Now this is it. This is what our blog archive looks like. This is what our blog archive looks like. Now as soon as anyone comes to this blog here and then clicks on it, to take them to this place where they would see our blogs, where they will see our blog, the content of our blog. Isn't this awesome? Isn't this awesome? So we just created a blog page in few minutes, right? We created a blog page in few minutes. So we'll be seeing the next class. Alright, but let me just try to take off some things here that we don't need. Let me go to edit with Elementor, because we'll not be needing all these aspects, especially this place where you see this blog is a whole distraction itself. So we need to change this. Alright, we need to really change this. So let's see. Let's try to edit this page. Okay, let's try to edit that page. Okay, so let me refresh this. Alright, okay, very good. So let me try to refresh this. Okay, perfect. So basically this is what our blog page looks like. This is what our blog page looks like currently. Alright, so let's try take away this blog, this title, this site title here. Let's take it away because it's not going to make our website or our blog page beautiful. So this is exactly the blog page, right? Why this right here is the blog post. So we'll be going to this blog page, blog page here, so that we could work on this, right? Let's try go back to our WordPress backend, and then let's go to our templates, our save templates, right? And let's go to publish templates, and then let's select this blog archive here. Let's select it. Let's click on edit with Elementor. Okay. Alright, so what we'll do right now is to change the layout by going to this settings here, and then we change this page layout. Is on default right now, so we change it to what? Elementor Canvas. Alright, so as soon as it is updated, let me click on update. Alright, so let me refresh this. So alright, so we've not seen it change now, so I can't find that title anymore, that site title anymore. So what I need to do now is to restore my menu back, because it went with the menu. So I would restore it back by simply going to my template icon here, click on it, and then click on my templates, and then I will go to site header, and then what? Insert, apply. Alright, okay, so that was done wrongly. Going back, so let's go back here. So sorry. let's go to site header, or let's go back into my template, and then select my site header and then insert. Alright, so let's just wait for some moment for it to load. Let's just wait for some moment for it to load. Let's give some time, please. Let me go back and do this again. Okay. Let's give some time for it to load. This is network. I'm so sorry about this. So sorry about this. So we'll get back very soon. Now assuming I'd left it where it was, right? I could have still dragged it to the top, right? But let me just go back again and click on this, right? So it is back. Or let me set this and apply. Alright, so it is still downward here. So sorry. Alright, so I need to take this to the top by just dragging it. Where did it go to? Alright, so this is it. So I'm just pushing it. I'll push it to. Now another way is to use my navigator to take it to the top, but I think we're almost done already. So okay. Alright, so we now have it back to the top. So I could just update now and we're good to go. We're good to go this way. Alright, so now let's see what it looks like. Let's try to refresh this. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. Alright, so we don't have that space where it says where it's showing us our site title. It's just showing us our blog page. Alright, so now let me try to click on this to see the outlook. So this post is still showing this site title, and I need to work on the post itself separately. So with that, now I need to go back and to exit to my WordPress backend. Alright, so and to exit now and then go back to my post. Okay. Alright, so let me go to my template rather, and then go to save templates. Okay, and then click on publish. Alright, and then go to my post template, and then click on what edit with Elementor. So I will do the exact same thing I did while working on my page. Alright, so I'll just do the same thing here. Come here, settings, page layout, Elementor canvas, or updates. Alright, and then refresh. Okay, refresh, and yeah, so this is what we got. So right now I just need to add inside my appearance, my menu rather. So come over here, then templates, and select my site header, insert, apply, and then we're back to business. We are literally back to business. So Alright, so let me try to use my navigator. So this is where the container is. This is where my site, my menu is. It is downward here, right? It's downward here, so I could drag this to the top. Alright, so let's see this magic. So you see it's at the top. So I don't need to start dragging it to go to the top anymore. So it's at the top right now. So now I can now do what? I can now click on what? Updates. Now I'm so sure you didn't know where I got that this navigator from. So I just right clicked on any of this my container. I just right click, and then select what navigator, and then this was displayed. So I'll just update this and we are good to go. We are literally good to go. So let's come back here and refresh. Let's refresh again. Let's refresh again. Alright, so yeah, need to refresh again. Need to refresh again. If it doesn't refresh here, we don't need to let's see this. Alright, so it might take some time, right? But we've done the changes here already. This is how we should look like now. This is what year should look like now. This is year should start looking like this now. Alright, it should start looking like this now. Alright, but to take effect soon. Alright, so let me try to let me go back to let me exit this place. Let me exit here. Let me try to exit here. And try to exit and go back to our WordPress backend. So we're back to our dashboard. Alright, so let me now try to go to our site again. Alright, and then let me go to our blog. Alright, so this is what our blog looks like right now. This is our blog page. So let me now go to this particular blog post. Alright, and it's still the same way. Still the same way. Let's try to refresh this. See if our settings were not saved. I just saved, so it's probably the network, and it would take effect as soon as that is corrected. As soon as it's corrected, to take effect instantly. To take effect instantly as soon as the network is back. To take effect instantly. So this is nothing to worry about. You don't have to worry about this. So we have gotten what we want already, and as soon as it is fixed, we would have our blog posts ready. Alright guys, so we'll be seeing the next class where I'll be teaching us how we can actually create our e-commerce website. Alright, our e-commerce website, and I will also show us how we could try to create an home page or about us page. Let's say, for example, if you're not creating an e-commerce site, you just want to create a website for a firm that offers any kind of service, right? So I will show us how we could create a site from scratch, a normal home page from scratch, and then I'll show us how we could create an e-commerce website. Are you excited? All right.